1 yard and 1 job at a time. An Indianapolis man is working to make a positive impact in his community.
By providing employment for ex-felons and youth, the CEO of A.C.E Project, a Lawrence company, is focused on helping his employees build a better future.
WRTV's community anchor Nicole Griffin shows us why he's passionate about this work and the impact he hopes it has on the city.
MONTEZ Williams spent 2.5 years in prison. When he was released in 2017, he says finding a job wasn't easy.
While I was in there, I knew I wanted to start my own business, so lawn care was something that I had thought about and I had wrote down as something I wanted to do.
WRTV first introduced you to MONTEZ in 2017.
I want to give these youth the childhood that I wish I had.
With just enough money to buy a lawnmower and a weed whacker, he began cutting grass on the east side of Indianapolis. From there, the A.C.E Project transformed. Kids in his neighborhood began asking him if they could get involved.
I would rather them cutting grass and putting the lawnmower in their hand than having them going and kicking somebody's door or selling some drugs just to get some money when they really didn't need much. They just needed a little bit of guidance and some money to keep them out of trouble.
He says the opportunities he's providing are ones he wished he had as a teenager. Over the last 4 years, MONTEZ has employed around 20 ex-felons and youth, including his brother. Michael Williams was incarcerated for 9 years and is now working alongside MONTEZ because he believes in his mission.
With all the stuff, just going on, just trying to help the youth, just show them a different way, just letting them know that, we didn't been behind it and we didn't see that, in a second your life can change, and there's more ways than thinking that you got to do it the fast way or the easy way.
Through the A.C.E Project, MONTEZ hopes his employees gain skills to build a good work ethic in a positive setting. A.C.E stands for a child's environment, something he hopes to improve by not only providing his employees with a job, but also serving as a mentor.
That's what shapes a child's mindset and what's going on with them. I feel like the environment is a big piece of that. So that's why I try to make it to where it's an environment they can come, and whether it's to talk about something or they need help with something, it's a positive environment because that's what's going to shape them at the end of the day.
By cutting grass and improving the appearance of yards and neighborhoods on the east side, MONTEZ says he also wants his employees to realize they are a part of the community. He hopes they use the skills they gain working for him and move on to better jobs to continue making a positive impact. Working for you, Nicole Griffin, WRTV.
Sounds great. In order to continue providing job opportunities for youth and ex-felons, the A.C.E Project needs continued community support. We will put a link with contact information for the A.C.E Project on the WRTV app. They mainly focus their efforts on the east side, but they are willing to travel to other areas of the city as well. MONTEZ Williams recently received a $5,000 award through the Reentry Entrepreneurship Development Initiative Pitch Contest. This is an opportunity for those returning from incarceration to present business ideas. The program is part of the Indy Chamber's Entrepreneur Services. One-on-one coaching and a 5-week training program is offered to those who spend time behind bars or are involved in the criminal justice system. The next virtual program begins October 19th from 9 to noon or 5 to